Hello everyone, welcome back. I am in a park, a national park or some sort of like conservation area, and it's full of these tall trees, as you can see. It's quite amazing. And I started hiking here. I was driving though and decided to make a stop because it's so moody and so nice right now. And trying to find a composition, like there's nothing very that jumps at the eyes right now, just that it's moody and then lots of ferns, because I love ferns. And I'm trying to find something here, and it's quite chilly though. Like the fog has been moving in and like dropping some water already. I don't know if it's because of the fog or it's like just some light rain. But I better start moving because I'm afraid that the fog will move away and then it's gonna be just me and the trees. Let's go. In the periods of more rain, this area must be this here to the left side might be a stream. Comes from up there, you know, goes downhill. So I'm gonna move a little bit up to see if I can find a better spot. Haven't been finding many places here to take a shot, but hopefully there is some greenery here that might, because this little valley, I want to call it, or stream path, gets very green going up, so maybe a wide angle shot might do the trick here. Yeah, let's try. So the previous place didn't work out. I think it would look good with some water passing through, but I didn't even decide to take a photo. I just experimented with some composition behind the camera and then moved on, because as I said, I'm a little bit afraid that the fog moves on and then I don't have a shot anymore. And then I decided to start walking around, trying to find something that I could take with a long lens and get into the forest photography fad, quote unquote, and decided to break out the big guns. Oh, look at that bad boy. And what I found was there is this slope. This area has a lot of these slopes and land indentations, as you see. And down this path, there is a lone tree, a different one, different than these other ones, which I think that they are pine trees or pine cone trees. Pine trees, right? And then, oh, the light is changing. Just a moment. Yeah. So, since the previous composition didn't work very well, I decided to bring out the big boy telephoto lens and try my luck in this composition, which is, I think it's quite nice. There are some ferns that lead the eye to a small tree right in the center of the photograph, and then I'm using the telephoto to compress all of the other trees around it. This is what I mean. I tried to frame the photo with the trees on the side, and then there is the ferns here moving to the middle. I think it's gonna give a nice photograph in the end. It's gonna be very, very moody. I don't have many photographs in the fog, so I hope that it's gonna be a bit different. And then the fog, to complement everything, the fog is giving this moody vibe to it, and I like it very much. I've been opening up the aperture so I can get some possible leaves that are not going to be moving, and then just decided to shoot everything at 135 f11 and then bracket. It's not moving very much, there is not much wind, and it's quite nice, even though it's a bit chilly. There is quite this moisture in the air, and some water is falling. Like I think that the condensation is gathering up right everywhere. So then, but it's so peaceful. Yeah. So let me try some more compositions, and I will show you the photo right now. And right, let's go. Let's do this. Right, I think this is gonna be a one photo location. I scouted this area a little bit more. Couldn't find anything else besides this shot. Oh, but the light is changing, so I shouldn't be so quick to judge. Let me take this one. It's not over until it's over, right? So yeah, I'm rather pleased with this location. I came here thinking that I could find something. I did, but of course you never know how it's gonna play out, right? Especially if it's a place that it's the first time that you're visiting, and you know, you have to try to find something. And even though the weather has not been cooperating lately, I'm trying to find places. I'm trying to find places that like can be a little bit moody, and I can go to the forest to compensate for the lack of sunrise and sunset. But not complaining, better than being at the office. I keep on trying. Wow, the light is really changing now. Like it's shining sideways. It's a bit. This is gonna turn out great. I was actually expecting for the light to start moving like this. So waiting does pay off. But I'm not sure if I can find any other composition right now. The place that I wanted very much, which is down there, the one that you saw me trying for a few compositions. I think what it's lacking is water, and that's not gonna change anytime soon. So I just have to bookmark this place and try to come back here when there is some water, some rain has been passing, or during the rain. But it's a shame that I'm not gonna get this nice fog. Because this area is really pretty, and the trees have so much character. Look at that. Which one is it? Wait, this one. Like Star Wars trees. The swamp scene with Yoda. Yeah, this is over actually. It's a shame that the fog has gone, and I was trying to get some more compositions out of different places, but that's it, I guess. And I'm actually very satisfied with what will come out with. The post-processing will be rather easy because of so much mood. I have already an idea. It's gonna come out as a more bluish tone, most likely. let's see. Sometimes when you start post-processing, you get more different ideas than what you had it in mind when you started photographing, right? But anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Hope that you enjoyed the episode, and please subscribe if you have not done so, and like the video because it helps me. And yeah, let me know which of the photographs that you enjoy the most. It's been a very nice day. Yes, well, see you guys soon. Bye.